meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Rika Khairunisa. What is your name?
My name is Yolanda Putri Febiola.
I live in Kawalu. Where do you live?
I live in Sumedaya.
Oh, I see. How old are you?
I am 18 years old. How about you?
I am 18 years old.
By the way, what is your hobby?
My hobby is cooking.
Wow, that's good hobby.
What's your occupation, Yolan?
I am a student. How about you?
I'm also same. I'm student.
I have to go now. See you later. Bye.
Bye.